So I gotta go to work in a little bit. So I'm about to do I'm about to do this quick video real quick. Just a quick makeup routine. Nothing extra. I'm not gonna use foundation. I'm not using blush. I'm not contouring. I'm not highlighting. Well, I may do a little bit of highlight. Not really highlight, conceal, but nothing. No eye makeup, really. Just brows and lashes, pretty much. So, just to do this real quick. Comb my brows into place. I'm not gonna really tell you exactly how I do my brows because I have a brow tutorial already on here. So if you want to watch it, you can go. I'll link it in the description. And if it's not in the description, then it's my first video I've ever made. So it's just go to my oldest and then you'll see it or whatever. Put a little bit of that concealer on there under my eyes. And do the same thing to blend it out. Just because I got dark circles up under there. Yeah. I got this powder by Black Opal. It's in the color dark, 04 dark. And I just take that around where I put the concealer everywhere. Under my eyes and stuff. I'm gonna put on my liner. This lip liner by NYX in the color Espresso. I normally would use the Jordana pencil in Coffee Bean, which is what I use for my brows. But this is actual lip liner. This is an eyeliner. This is for your eyes. This is for your lips. And I like this for my lips, but this goes on better, so, which makes more sense because it's a lip liner. So first I'm gonna put this Carmex on. I'm gonna put my outfit on and I'll be back. So yeah, I'm back and I got changed. And don't talk about me. My shirt is kind of wrinkled and got some little marks on it. But I wear a vest at work, so you don't see nothing. The only thing you see is the sleeves. At my job, like, I wear a vest all day, so that's why I don't be. My boyfriend be like, why don't you iron your clothes? I'm like, iron your shirts. I'm like, what am I ironing my shirt for if I got a vest over it? Like, yeah, I'm lazy. See, I got my hair done yesterday. Yesterday was my birthday. So I got my hair done. My mama did it for me. She's so nice. She stressed me out yesterday too. Oh, my two little baby hairs. I ain't got no baby hairs, y'all. And then take my ponytail out. Just how I wanted my hair for my birthday. I wanted an extended ponytail. Okay, y'all. So that's my ponytail. I'm gonna put my earrings in. Yep. Alright, y'all. This is my quick get ready. It took me what? It took me, I don't know, maybe 15 minutes, 10, 15 minutes to do this. So, it's not a little, y'all wanna see how long my ponytail is? Y'all look how long this ponytail is. And first off, y'all, I'm 4'11". I'm little. So for my little butt to be having this long ass ponytail, good. It's cute, y'all. It's cute. I'm cute. All right. Thank y'all for watching my video. Y'all see my little setup back here. Yeah, I'm using my boyfriend's table because I ain't bought me no table yet. I'm using my boyfriend's table. And him so sweet. Let me use his table. He's so cute. So, all right, y'all. I gotta go work.